Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to reach your next level using mp3.Academy. Whether you're looking to achieve personal or professional growth, mp3.Academy is designed to provide you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you unlock your full potential by offering flexible, insightful, and practical learning that fits seamlessly into your daily routine. With our wide range of audio modules, you'll discover how to set meaningful goals, overcome challenges, and develop the mindset needed to reach new heights. So, let's dive in and explore how mp3.Academy can be your companion in this transformative journey. Reaching your next level is about more than just setting goals. It's about taking intentional steps toward personal growth and unlocking your full potential. mp3.Academy offers a unique platform designed to help you achieve just that. By delivering content that is both accessible and practical, mp3.Academy serves as an effective tool for those who want to elevate their lives through structured learning and self-improvement. Whether you are looking to enhance your skills, develop new habits, or completely transform your mindset, mp3.Academy provides a variety of audio modules tailored to different aspects of personal development. The power of audio learning allows you to absorb key concepts in a way that fits your lifestyle, making self-growth more achievable than ever. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. If you'd like to stay updated with all our new content, simply subscribe to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe option attached to the logo in the bottom right corner of the video. It's that easy. Just hover your mouse over the logo and click the subscribe option. One of the key advantages of mp3.Academy is its flexibility. In today's busy world, finding time to read or attend workshops can be challenging, but with mp3.Academy, you can learn on the go. Whether you're commuting to work, exercising, or doing household chores, you can listen to modules that push you closer to your goals. This flexible learning method makes it easier to incorporate personal development into your daily routine without needing to carve out extra time. With mp3.Academy, learning becomes an integrated part of your life, enabling you to constantly grow while still managing your regular commitments. Another aspect that sets mp3.Academy apart is its wide range of goal-setting and achievement modules. Reaching your next level often requires revisiting your goals, understanding why they are important, and adjusting them as you evolve. The modules provided by mp3.Academy teach you how to recognize when goals are no longer relevant, helping you realign your focus on what truly matters. By guiding you through the process of setting more aligned and meaningful goals, you learn how to stay on track even as your circumstances change. Identifying obstacles and challenges is a crucial part of personal growth, and mp3.Academy offers content that addresses this head-on. Life will always throw curveballs, but through the right guidance, you can learn how to manage these challenges effectively. The audio modules help you anticipate potential setbacks and develop strategies to overcome them. By equipping you with the tools to navigate difficulties, mp3.Academy ensures that you remain resilient and adaptable in the face of adversity. When challenges arise, you'll be better prepared to handle them and keep moving forward. Another key to reaching the next level is reassessing your resources and capabilities. As your goals evolve, so too must your understanding of what you have available to help you achieve them. mp3.Academy encourages learners to evaluate their current situation realistically and make adjustments where necessary. Whether it's time, energy, or financial resources, knowing how to use what you have wisely is essential for sustainable progress. The modules help you reassess and adapt, ensuring that your ambitions remain practical and attainable without leading to burnout. Ambitious goals are important, but sometimes they can be overwhelming. That's why breaking down overly ambitious goals is a core topic in the mp3.Academy modules. You'll learn how to break your goals into smaller, actionable steps that are easier to manage and accomplish. This method not only reduces stress, but also allows for consistent progress, keeping you motivated along the way. By focusing on small wins, you stay engaged and confident, steadily working toward the larger objective without feeling discouraged by its size. The concept of remaining flexible in your timeline is another focus at mp3 Academy. Life is unpredictable, and sticking rigidly to a timeline can sometimes do more harm than good. Through the modules, you'll learn the value of adjusting your deadlines when necessary without losing sight of the ultimate goal. Flexibility is key to maintaining balance, avoiding burnout, and staying motivated even when things don't go according to plan. Learning how to adapt your approach is an invaluable skill in the pursuit of personal growth. Self-discipline is one of the most important factors when striving to reach your next level, and mp3 Academy provides comprehensive guidance on how to develop it. Self-discipline enables you to stay focused on your goals even when motivation wanes. The audio content offers practical tips and techniques to help you build daily habits that support long-term success. With the right level of discipline, you'll be able to stay consistent, push through obstacles, and maintain momentum as you work toward your next achievement. The focus on personal resilience within mp3 Academy's modules is another reason why it's so effective in helping learners reach their next level. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and continue pushing forward even when things get tough. By developing a resilient mindset, you ensure that obstacles don't knock you off course, but instead become opportunities for growth. mp3 Academy offers strategies for building this mental toughness, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with greater confidence and perseverance. Finally, mp3 Academy emphasizes the importance of continuous learning in personal development. The path to reaching your next level doesn't end with a single achievement. It's a lifelong journey of growth and improvement. The platform offers content designed to keep you learning and evolving, ensuring that you remain adaptable and open to new opportunities. With mp3 Academy, you're not just working toward one goal, you're cultivating the mindset and skills necessary for a lifetime of personal success and fulfillment. In conclusion, mp3 Academy offers a comprehensive system for anyone looking to elevate their personal development and reach new levels of success. Through flexible learning, goal alignment, obstacle management, resource reassessment, and the development of self-discipline and resilience, you're equipped with everything you need to continue progressing. Whether you're looking to break down large goals, remain adaptable in your timelines, or embrace continuous learning, mp3 Academy provides the tools to ensure that you achieve your aspirations. Start your journey today and let mp3 Academy be your guide in reaching your next level.